A day after Rahul Gandhi's olive branch to Sachin Pilot, the Gehlot camp is mulling to file an FIR against key Pilot loyalists and also possibly against Sachin Pilot himself. Rahul yesterday had stepped in after 4 days to make a last-ditch effort to bring back Pilot and reportedly even ticked off the CM loyalists for targeting Pilot. But according to sources, the Rajasthan government is likely now to file an FIR for kidnapping. This after family members of at least 3 rebel MLAs alleged that the Pilot camp has forcibly restrained them. Family members allege that they're not allowed to meet their kin, which are the MLAs. The Pilot camp on its part will file a plea in the Rajasthan High Court challenging the Speaker's notice to all the rebel MLAs. The Rajasthan Speaker issued a notice to Pilot as well as 18 others, these are all rebel MLAs, for skipping the Congress Legislative Party meet and plotting to bring down the government. A reply has been sought from them by tomorrow, that's by July 17th, failing which they face suspension. Dev Ankur is joining us live from Jaipur. We also have Anand Patel reporting from Delhi, getting us the latest from the Pilot camp. Anand, the information we're picking up now is that after seeking legal opinion, Sachin Pilot and the rebel MLAs will be filing a plea in the Rajasthan High Court. But it is going to be really a fight against time, because tomorrow is when the deadline ends for them to reply to the Speaker's notice.
Well, yes, Akshita, this is a well thought out strategy, you see. Tomorrow is the deadline, and just a day ahead of that deadline, the rebel MLAs have filed a plea in the High Court. Now, once the High Court takes up the matter, if it is listed for today itself, then a notice will be issued to the Speaker and the government. And only after tomorrow, anything can happen, any judgment or, arguments. So clearly, this is a strategy to buy out time. As I've been mentioning, that the clear strategy is to pressurize the Congress High Command to effect a change of leadership. That is the foremost agenda, foremost demand of the Sachin Pilot camp. Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister, is not acceptable to Sachin Pilot camp. There is no sort of bargaining over that, and that is the reason why Sachin Pilot has been holding up all his MLAs, all his 18 MLAs in the Manesar Hotel under the protection of the Haryana police, and they're not able to move out from there. And this is what now counter pressure is being put on the MLAs through the families. We were told yesterday that at least 3 of the MLAs who are in the Pilot camp wanted to come back and join the Gehlot camp, but that didn't happen. And now we are hearing that the Gehlot camp is trying to file police complaints through the family members alleging that they're not being allowed to meet the MLAs, they're not able to talk to them, and they are being forcibly restrained in Manesar Hotel. So clearly, pressure tactics from both the sides. It's a long haul, Akshita.
Yes.
We won't be getting any result in a day or two, and this will all boil down to a floor test, I'm telling you at this moment.
We'll see how really things play out. But Anand, you're saying that we can expect that it comes down to a floor test. Let me take this across to Dev Ankur also. Dev, you're tracking all the updates coming in from Jaipur, and I want to focus on what really the thinking is within the Congress, because there seems to be mixed signals at this point. We get news that there's an olive branch extended to Sachin Pilot, with Surjewala, Rahul Gandhi, all of them saying that, our doors are still open for you. And on the other hand, you got Ashok Gehlot continuing to attack Sachin Pilot, with news also coming in now that an FIR could be filed against Pilot, against his loyalists.
Well, Akshita, that is a very good question, but there is no definitive answer to that, because there are different factions. Gehlot, remember, is in no mood to let Sachin Pilot have any elbow room. He wants Pilot to be thrown out of Rajasthan politics. He does not want Pilot to be seen anywhere near Rajasthan Congress, and that is why you had Gehlot uncharacteristically hitting out extremely hard at Sachin Pilot yesterday, mentioning that the PCC president himself was involved in horse trading. He was hobnobbing with the BJP. He was involved in ensuring that our MLAs go away, in trying to ensure that our MLAs go away to the BJP camp. So these are grave allegations. He mentioned that while he was the deputy CM, while he was the PCC president, the posts that were given to him by the party, he was working against the party. Now, under these circumstances, the working of Ashok Gehlot along with Sachin Pilot together becomes untenable. And Pilot himself has, as per sources, mentioned that Gehlot has been trying to malign his image before the party high command. Given all of that, the kind of statement that Surjewala made was reflective of the fact that party high command per se still wants to ensure that Pilot is somehow brought back to the party main fold, despite grave differences with the Rajasthan chief minister. So clearly, there are different factions. Even as Gehlot is in no mood to relent, having levelled grave allegations against his former deputy, the
Okay.
party high command still seems to have a soft corner towards Pilot, given the kind of relationships the Pilot family once had with the Gandhi family.
Yes. All right, Dev and Anand, thank you for joining us with all the latest updates. Newsbreak also coming in on the story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.